Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 30. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we've got the basin that's been mounted with the Hansgrohe shower tap, and the toilet is in position. I think it's been connected. And also over here, we've got the towels that have been placed on the shower wall, and that's very cool. And then let's go out and see what's been done over here. We've got the grouting that's been done on this between the tiles, and we've got the tiling all the way around over here for the skirting. There we go, and also over there. And then they're busy working on the drywall. Let's take a look on this side. There's still quite a bit that needs to be done over here, but they're busy doing it. They've added some more beams and up here for the window that's going to go in. And that's about it for day 30.